can't stop drinking. No matter what I do, I just can't do it. I can't get sober. I can't stay sober. I'm not supposed to be sober. I'm just destined to be an alcoholic. If that sounds like you, then let's talk about using I statements and how changing your neural networks in your brain can help you overcome this specific obstacle. I want you to know that every single person that has ever gotten sober or practiced drinking less was convinced that they were the one on the planet that couldn't do it. Every time you say, I can't stop, this is reinforcing a belief system that is limiting your progress. The key to your success is understanding the neural networks in your brain and reshaping them with practice. By firing and wiring new codes and commands in your brain, you're reshaping the foundation for a healthier life. Even if you're drinking poison right this second, you could still practice new healthy habit. For example, the next time you think about alcohol, I want you to reward your brain with water. You may have fired the code of I want alcohol, but you're rewarding that thought with water. This one simple practice starts to reassociate pleasure with healthier choices. Over time, your brain is going to strengthen these connections with a substance called myelin. This means the more you practice this new behavior, the better you'll become at it. This is the exact same practice that athletes use to become literal superstars of their sport. Taking care of yourself is no different. Instead of just quitting alcohol, let's actively start reprogramming your mind. I want you to look at your daily average intake and then subtract 1 from that. Just like an athlete is shooting for a goal, your new goal is that new number. So if you were drinking 10, now you're practicing drinking 9. As you become comfortable with that new level of consumption, you are neurologically and chemically rewiring your brain for self-care. Holding firm onto the belief that you have to quit entirely and immediately makes reaching sobriety, which only takes 4 days, nearly impossible. So instead, you want to focus on your health and well-being, and you're actually firing the signal that you're way more interested in improving your quality of life. Saying no to alcohol isn't improving your life, but actively improving your life is saying no to alcohol. This is the exact technique that I use as a recovery specialist to make consuming less alcohol a natural part of your everyday life. Remember, you have the power to completely reshape your brain, completely rewire your connections, and break all addictive and alcoholic behavior. Sobriety is time, recovery is energy, and I'm here to help you recover.